Hey guys, here's the next part of the Unity Canon game asset series, and I extended the scripts so that the characters are taken damage when they are hit by the cannonball. So let's start the game first so that you can see how this looks like. I pick up a cannonball and then I load the cannon with it. Then I shoot, and the red guy is hit and is taken damage. But this is not just implemented for this character, also the player is taken damage when he is hit. Okay, so let's see how this is done. First I open the script that is attached to the red guy. So this looks really simple. There's just a TakeDamage method in which the death trigger of the animator is set, and the method TakeDamage is an implementation of the interface IDamageable. I introduced this to the low poly game kit so that you can implement it for every character that you want to take damage. I also did this here for the player controller. In this method, the health of the player is reduced, and then the die animation is played when he is dead. And here you can see the player controller implements the interface IDamageable. But who's calling this method TakeDamage? Well, of course the cannonball does, when it is colliding with a game object that implements this interface. Here's the Cannonball C# script, and in the onCollisionEnter method, I get the scripts of the collision object and check for each script if it implements the IDamageable interface. And if this is true, I call the method TakeDamage. The amount parameter is set to 100, but I think I will turn this into a public variable that you can set for the cannonball in the editor. Okay, let's play this again just for fun, and perhaps you have some ideas on how to use this in a game. Just add these to the comments below. Okay guys, that's the latest state of development for my low poly game kit. I really hope you like it. And if you do, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you want to support me, just think about being my patron. As I said, I really want you to take part in the development, so I'm looking forward for your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.